Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about colors, numbers, shapes, and even some animals using this cool apple tree toy. Do you see what's on the apple tree? Yeah, there's all these different colored doors. Let's check them out. Over here is a door that's red and has the number 1 on it. The number 1 is inside of a red circle. This door over here is orange and has a number 2 on it. Can you count to 2? 1, 2. And the number 2 is inside of a
square.
This door is yellow and has the number 3 on it. Let's count to 3 together. 1, 2, 3. And the number 3 is inside of a yellow triangle. Triangles have 3 sides. This door down here is blue and it has a number 4 on it. The number 4 is inside of a diamond. The diamond has 4 sides. Let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. And way down here, this door is purple and has a number 5 on it. The 5 is inside of a star. Stars have 5 points. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. Let's see what surprises we can find behind each of our doors. Starting with door number 1. Let's see what's inside. Oh, cool! It's an apple. This apple is red and it has 1 white circle on it. The apple matches the door that it came out of. The apple might have 1 white circle, but the door had a number 1 inside of a circle. And inside of door number 1, we have a friend. Look, it's an owl. Our owl is blue and he's sitting on a tree branch. Can you make a who sound like an owl? Now let's see what's behind door number 2. Oh look, we got another apple. This one looks a little different though. This apple is orange and it has 2 white
squares.
And if you remember, the door this apple came out of was also orange and it had a number 2 with a
square.
But look who else is behind door number 2. It's our friend Mr. Squirrel. It looks like he's eating an apple. And he's also sitting on a tree branch. Have you ever seen one of these little guys running around in your backyard? Okay, now let's check out what's behind door number 3. Yep, you guessed it, another apple. Let's see what this one looks like. This apple is yellow and it has 3 white triangles on it. And remember how the door was yellow and it had a number 3 with a triangle. And who's inside door number 3? It's a bear and he's climbing a tree branch. Isn't he cute? Time for door number 4. We got another apple here. This apple is blue and it has 4 white diamonds on it, just like its door. The door was blue, had a number 4, and it was inside of a diamond. And our new friend inside of door number 4 is a raccoon, and he's sitting on a log. Check out his eyes. Doesn't he look like he's wearing a mask? Time to see what's in door number 5. All right, we got another apple here. This apple is purple and it has 5 white stars on it. And look, it matches its door. The door was purple, had a number 5 with a star. This door has an orange fox behind it and he's sitting on a rock. Now that we've taken all of our apples out, let's try putting them back in the tree. There's a little slot up here. Let's see what that does. the slot at the top of our tree made all of our apples fall into this basket. Let's dump them back out. Uh-oh, now all of our apples are mixed up. Let's try getting them back into order and putting them back behind their correct doors. Starting with this apple. What color is this apple? Yeah, it's blue. And what shapes do you see on the front? Yep, those are diamonds. And there are 4 of them. Do you see which door the blue apple with 4 diamonds should go back to? Yeah, it's this one right here. Here you go, Mr. Raccoon. Hope this blue apple is yummy. Now let's do this apple. What color is this? Yeah, it's purple. And what shapes do you see on the front? Yep, those are stars. And there are 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What door does the purple apple with 5 stars need to go to? Does it go here? No, that door is yellow and has a number 3 on it with a triangle. Not quite what we need. Better try again. So which door would the purple apple with 5 stars go to? Yeah, it's this one way down here. Got a yummy apple for you, Mr. Fox. All right, let's try the next one. What color is this apple? Yeah, it's orange, and it has 2 white squares. Which door should we give this apple to? Yeah, the one up here. Hey, Mr. Squirrel, got another apple for you to eat. All right, we're running out of apples here. Let's do the next one. What color is this apple? Yeah, it's yellow. And can you tell me what shapes are on the yellow apple? Yeah, they're triangles. How many are there? Yep, 1, 2, 3 triangles. Can you tell me which door the yellow apple with 3 triangles should go back to? Is it this one right here? No, that one is red. Has a number 1 and a circle on it. Definitely not the right one. Let's try again. Where should this yellow apple go with 3 triangles? It's this one up here. Hey, Mr. Bear, do you care for an apple? Last but not least, we have this apple. What color is it? Yeah, it's red. What shape is that on the red apple? Yep, it's a circle, and there's only 1. Can you tell me where the red apple with 1 circle should go? Yep, you got it. It's this one over here. Hey, Mr. Owl, here's that apple you ordered. All right, you did it. You matched all the apples back up with their doors. It was so fun learning about colors, numbers, shapes, animals, and we even had some fun putting our apples down a slide. Hope you had fun too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!